crayfish and pepper. So guys, our vegetable sauce is ready. It's ready. Hello, good evening and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in today's video. I want to prepare vegetable sauce. So this is a very quick video. Now let me show you guys my ingredients. Here is my already sliced vegetable. I have 2 plates of vegetable here, and this is crayfish and pepper. This is my fish. This is fresh tomato, onion, kidney beans, vegetable oil, this curry powder, chicken glory, this is thyme, seasoning cube, and salt. So guys, yes my love. So let's start our cooking. So this is my pot on fire. I will add my vegetable oil. I will put my onion, and my fresh tomato. I will allow to dry, or to cook a little rather. So now let's stir it. Okay, so I'll add my thyme, chicken glory, curry powder, crayfish and pepper, crayfish and pepper, kidney beans, my fish, Titus fish, Maggi, salt, should give you salt. And lastly, I'll put my vegetable. And then let's stir it. This is yummy. So can you guys see? Wow, this is yummy. It's going to be very delicious. So now I will cover and allow to cook. So guys, our vegetable sauce is ready. It's ready. Look at this. Yummy. It's ready and it's yummy. Look at how fresh it is. So we are taking this with rice. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. Bye.